Work with system speed dials NEC SL2100. With the phone sitting idle, press the DIR soft key under the display highlighted in red. Your first speed dial in alphabetical order will appear in the screen. Next, we would like to dial the speed dial for Jimmy. Press the 5 button once for J and the 4 button 3 times for I. Buttons highlighted in red. If you have multiple speed dial entries that start with the same 2 or 3 digits, use the up and down buttons highlighted in red to scroll through the entries. Once you have located the system speed dial you would like to access, press the speaker button highlighted in red to call. Please see our video on how to add system speed dials to the NEC SL2100 phone system.